my name is your partners. Ajiro tutorial रे आपनको वेबसाइट रे बोर्ड मेंबर बायो सेक्शन रे कोन लिखिबा से विषय रे कहबी. Important point for the board member bio section: full name and title. प्रथम रे board member को full name and title लिखंतु. For example, Rakesh Kumar is the president of our organization. Rakesh Kumar organization रो president अछंती. Place of origin: board member कोटर आछंती. Mention करंतु. Example is from Bhubaneswar. से भुवनेश्वर रो आछंती. Educational background: board member को education background mention करंतु. Like he holds a master degree in social work. से social work रे master degree धरिसंती. Professional background: board member को पूर्वरु experience लिखंतु. Example, he has over 5 years of experience in the non-profit sector. से non-profit sector रे 5 वर्ष experience करछंती. Skills: special skills लिखंतु. Example, his skills include leadership, community development and fundraising. This is the one example of board member bio. Rakesh Kumar, the president of our organization, he is from Hyderabad, Telangana. He holds a master degree in social work and has over 15 years of experience in the non-profit sector. His skills include community development, project management and policy support. ये सब पॉइंट फॉलो करले आपनको बोर्ड मेंबर्स बायो सेक्शन सुंदर एंड इंफॉर्मेटिव होबो. थैंक यू.